The Meyer Lemon is a hybrid citrus fruit native to China. It is a cross between a citron and a mandarin/pomelo hybrid. It was introduced to the United States in 1908 by the agricultural explorer Frank Meyer, an employee of the United States Department of Agriculture, who collected a sample of the plant on a trip to China. Meyer lemon trees, when mature, reach a height of 6 to 10 feet tall with dark green shiny leaves. Flowers are white with a purple base and are fragrant. The fruit is rounder than a true lemon, deep yellow with a slight orange tint when ripe. It has a sweeter, less acidic flavor. The lemons contain a highly acidic pH of between 2 and 3. This acidity level allows for these lemons to be used as antibacterial and antiseptic cleaners. Soil conditions when growing these lemons should be well draining. However, the soil must hold enough water to remain moist. Allow soil to dry out only slightly between waterings. Fertilize regularly when growing Meyer lemons. A high nitrogen fertilizer, such as one designed for citrus trees, is best fed monthly between April and September. Withhold fertilizer during autumn and winter months. Yellowing leaves indicate the need for either water or fertilizer. Good companion plants for lemon trees are yarrow, sage, fennel, dill, lemongrass, peas, alfalfa, roses, jasmine, borage, and calendula. Meyer lemon has unlimited uses worldwide. The juice can be used to make lemonade, cocktails, or in baking or cooking to brighten up a dish. The whole fruit can be chopped and added to marmalade or sliced and added to salads, baked goods, or seafood. Meyer lemons are a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that reduces inflammation, boosts the immune system, and stimulates collagen production within the skin. The fruits are also a source of potassium to regulate fluid levels, calcium to strengthen bones and teeth, and magnesium to maintain healthy blood pressure.